In this video, I will show you how to select a website template in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside my Hostinger account. Go to Websites from the top. Click on Add a new website and select Hostinger Website Builder. In this step, instead of going with AI, click on Use pre-made templates from the bottom. These are the templates categories. To preview a template, just click on Preview on your preferred template. You can see it on desktop and also mobile. You can go back to all templates to preview another one. And after previewing your preferred template, click on Start Building from this corner or by using this Select Template button. And this is how to select your website template in Hostinger Website Builder.